All right, guys, just making a little video here for your flip grid. And so what we have here is we have a very similar problem that we've been looking at, right? We have this blue shaded square on the inside of a larger outside square, okay? But notice there's no grid here. What they did was they just give you kind of numbers. So this 7 right here represents, it says that from here over to here, okay, that's 7 units long, 7 square units long. And then from here over to here, that's 3 square units long. So this whole side would be 10, okay, square units. And then also another piece of information you'll need is if you look, it's very similar again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these white triangles on the outside of our blue shaded area, right? So what we can do though is we can find the area of these triangles really easily. The way we can do it is we could just draw a rectangle like we've been doing kind of, but we could just make a rectangle here and say, okay, well, I know that this rectangle, right, where the line segments are, I know, and I can finish this up actually, just so you could really, really see it. Okay, so I'm gonna put one there, and then up here, and then connect these. Okay, so you can really see it. So here's this rectangle, right? And we know it's a 7, okay? This side of the rectangle, 7. And then we know it's a 7 by 3. There's 3 up here, right? So if this rectangle is 7 by 3, 7 times 3, which is 21. So we know that the whole thing, the blue triangle and the white, are 21 total square units. Because if we add them together, right, then we know it's 21, right? Because that would be the entire rectangle. However, we don't want the whole rectangle. We just want the area of the triangle. Well, the area of the triangle is half of 21, right? Just half of 21, okay? And so what we do is, what we can understand is if we take this white triangle and we add it to, say, this white triangle, how much area would that be? Well, this is a white triangle is half of 21, and this white triangle is half of 21 also, and there's 2 of them. So these 2 white triangles added together would equal 21, okay? They would equal 21. So well, how can we use that information and also the information of knowing about the length and width of this outside square to find the area of the blue square inside? All right, thanks.